suggest this software is amazing for just getting those body AI edits done super quickly. Anyone can use this software. Here's some of the features that you can use. I'll just go over quickly the price. At the moment, you can get it for $29.95. That's UK pounds, so that's probably around about $35 if you're in the USA. It's a definite win. Right, okay, so as the name suggests, it's called Portrait Body. You can do body contouring, as you can see there, fixing images if somebody wants to look a little bit slimmer, etc. Adjust the build and height. Just give people a little bit more of a boost. Auto markup, as you can see here. It's really good. I'm going to take you through it. One of the other features it's got is skin smoothing. There's two different versions of this software. There's the standard and the studio. Now, for me, I would be using this as a final edit. So for using it as a batch mode, I'm not bothered. Raw files, I wouldn't be using it on RAWs. Like I said, it'd be once the images have been edited and you just want those final touch-ups, I would be jumping into this software like I am going to do now. So this is the interface you get as you first load an image. And then on the left-hand side, we've got the navigation area. And the first thing it will ask you to do is identify the subject. So what it will tell you to do is click on the nose, as we will do there. And then this little box comes up and it will ask you, are we looking at a female or a male? And in this case, we're looking at a male subject. We'll click on that and it will analyze the subject. Okay, so it's done a good job at the AI markup. If we wanted to modify it just a little bit, we could do that. It's assumed where the legs would be. We can't see the legs, obviously, because it's in water, but we're going to go with accept body and markup. And we'll just show you how quickly it is to just give this guy that little bit of boost he might want for his Instagram picture, you know, etc. Doesn't matter if it's female or male. Okay, so we're going to go into the skeleton area, and then we're just going to have a look at the neck length, and we're just going to give his neck just a little bit of height. And do we need to move the position the head? We're just going to do just a little bit of adjustment to the head, and then the main one we're going to concentrate on is give him a little bit more shoulder width. We're going to adjust a little bit more angle on this shoulder. As you can see here, we can adjust the arms as we want to. So left elbow, we're just going to bring that in just a little bit. Leg length, it's not going to adjust his legs because they're hidden under the water. And then we're nipping into the arms. We're going to give him a little bit of boost on the arm area as well. Again, if you go too much, it's going to look silly, but just slight changes. Just keep your clients happy. Again, you might have been using just the wrong focal length and it's made, just give it that more of a slimmer look than natural reality. So you can just fix all these things in this software super quickly. Nip back into there. Let's have a look at what we've got. Where's the one for the torso? We'll nip into the torso. We're just going to bring the chest height up just a little bit. And that one there. A little bit of a bottom lift. Let's have a look. And we're going to bring the chest in just a little bit there. Again, as you can see, it tries to counteract the other areas that will be affected as you do this. And then we're going to go into the shape tool. We're going to push the body in just a little bit. Sorry, bring the butt area out just a little bit there. A dip into the skin one. It's highlighted most of his skin, so if it misses a bit, we can just add that in here. And then we're just going to give it a little bit of smoothing. And then we're going to finish off with saturation to the picture. Let's just recover that exposure, just a little bit of fill light on him. And we want some more blacks in there. A little bit of contrast. We can even change it to black and white if we want to. Or we can use auto levels. So we're going to get his skin just a little bit of a tan. A little bit more warmth on it. And I'm done. Fixing those images that, you know, females, males, you know, they just want to have that little bit of extra boost. And we're done. $29.99. It's super simple to use. Anybody can use it. Try it for yourself. See you in the next video.